Damn, okay.
What is up, guys? We are out in the new ride today, in the new vet, new to me vet. My new 2010 Z06, C6 Z06. You guys will be learning a lot more about it in upcoming videos. Super excited about this car. It's always been a car that I've kind of envisioned and hoping, kind of dreamed of having one day. This car is just a timeless design, a truly epic engine. We've got that wonderful 7-liter LS7 up in front of us, talking to us dirty there. We're just cruising along nice and easy now, cruising up to one of the local mountain spots here. Just wanted to get out, get the new car out, talk to you guys, see how everyone's doing. Let me know in the comments what you think of the car, guys. What do you think of the sound? I think this thing sounds amazing. We are running 2-inch primary stainless works Longtube headers with a 3-inch stainless works X pipe into the, I believe it's a 3.5-inch full Borla ATAK Axleback. So it's a complete, pretty much max effort exhaust system and pretty much a max effort build right now on this car for an NA setup. We are actually no longer a 427. This car is actually now it would be a 429 or 430. The mathematic have to get very specific on the math. We'll just call it 429. It is a slot bore for the oversized diamond pistons. It does have forged diamond pistons, Lunati Rods. It has a Callie's Dragon Slayer crank. This thing is it's set up to get up. That's for sure. You guys can let me know what you think about it. We're getting up closer to the mountain here. It looks like we do have a lot of traffic, so we will just take a nice easy cruise. This thing revs like a NASCAR. It really does. You see how rowdy she is. That's just rolling into it from second gear pull there. You guys can see how rowdy she gets. It is kind of a dirty day out today. I didn't realize this mountain would be wet actually, or we wouldn't have came this way. Yeah, I actually was not expecting this mountain to be a wet road today, but that's alright. We do have some slow traffic. We're just out cruising. We're not doing anything special. Just want to get out and talk to you guys, see what you think about the new ride. Get a little heat pumping here. Oh yeah, we're definitely going to have to wash the salt off this baby when we get back. It does suck. I did get it in the middle of winter time in Kentucky here when we've got this terrible weather. Oh wow, we still got snow up here. Still got snow on the mountain. It is a crisp 30-degree day out today. Snow on the sides of the road here on the mountain. Well, this guy's going to be nice and let us by, it looks like. Wow, these roads are so wet, guys. There's no sense in getting into any kind of power right now. We are not going to get any traction. Check out the ice on the mountain there. Coming up this way. I don't really want to get salt on this car, but it washes off. We take good care of our stuff. We'll keep it clean. find yourself in a tollgate situation, ever getting out of third gear, you're mostly going to be in second gear on a mountain situation. This car with the bigger cam, it will actually go to 100 miles per hour in second gear, but that is revving it out to about 7,300-ish. Yeah, this thing it revs like, it stands up so fast with a light flywheel. It's got a monster twin disc clutch. Let's see, should we go out this way? Yeah, let's take it out this way. Nothing really quite like that LS7 sound, it really isn't. I thought about getting a Grand Sport. I toyed with that idea. And just the difference in the rawness of the car and the sound alone. You know, when you're looking at a C6Z, you do have to worry about finding the right one, that the heads have been taken care of. Luckily with this one, it's got brand new Frankenstein 285cc port heads. I mean, this car really is, it's a fully built engine. The compression ratios have also been bumped up. It's wild, the roads are actually a little more clear up higher on the mountain here than they were on the other side. On this car, the current tune on this car is more set up for a drag or a roll race style setup, and this is more the style driving that we're going to be doing. You guys know we're all about that tailgate life. The Evo's still here. Evo's not going anywhere, if anyone out there is wondering about the Evo. We've just got two icons for the channel, bring you guys two different perspectives. We've got the complete, you can't get any more America than this right here, I don't believe, guys. If you can, let me know. We've got the complete America experience and the complete JDM experience in the Evo back at home. The heads-up display in this one too, better than C5. I didn't get to do any videos really on the C5, guys. I didn't have it that long. I did really enjoy the C5 though. I really enjoyed driving it. But this car is, that being said, this car is a much better car in every way than the C5. That is without a doubt. Much more rigid car. You can feel the lighter weight stuff they've used to try to hide the bigger body signature of this car. But the suspension, stock for stock suspension in this is so much more poised than the C5Z. Just cruises so well, even with the big cam. Once you're used to that big cam life, it's no big deal. If it's a big deal for you, then you're probably not that much of a car guy anyway. So I know a lot of people out there, they kind of gripe about big cam lope and all that stuff, but if you can't get around that, you probably don't need to be driving a car like this anyway. That's just my take on it, but see, I guess we will go, yeah, we'll go content with the Evo going. Just the Evo is definitely not coming out in this time of year and this weather right now. Sorry guys, I'm just way too OCD in particular about that thing, which I'm sure I'm going to be about this as well. I just got to get it out and enjoy it some right now. Just has to be done. I can get you guys a little bit of a second gear roll on here. I can't even get into the throttle. That was like 25% throttle. This thing is just an animal. It really does, on the street, to be able to do any kind of full throttle pull, this thing really does need a drag pack. And I've been looking at some different setups. Just never been the biggest fan of drag packs myself. It's just this thing is at the power level that it does need that to be able to put the power down. But also with the retune, we're going to change the timing curve up a lot. Get this thing more suited for some autocross / toge time attack style driving instead of just full throttle highway pulls and stuff like that, which it is a monster for. Love to get you guys some 60 to 130 draggy times and stuff on this. I assure you they will be pretty impressive. Also got both MGW shifters for this car. I've got the black flat stick on here right now, but I also have the race shifter as well. I love the MGW shifter so much that for my C5, that I got both versions for this car. So we are MGW'd out. MGW, if you're out there, you want to hook me up on that new shift knob you got coming out, that'd be great. I'd love to rock it in the car for you. MGW does make a great shifter, guys. I am not sponsored by them in any way. Would love to be, but I bought all their products with my own money, and they are well worth it. Because stock Corvette shifters are trash. I don't care what anyone says. Anyone that says a stock C6, especially C5, anyone that says the stock shifter is good in a vet, it's cap. But yeah, guys, I do love this car. I'm blinded by the sun again. Forgot my sunglasses. Comments though, let me know what you think on the new ride. If you do see the lights on the dash, the lights are on because of the tire pressure monitor sensors. The batteries are dead in them. Tried to recalibrate them, but I'm gonna have to put some new sensors in there. And then the engine light is always, it's gonna be on for now, unless my new tuner can tune that out with HP tuners, which I'm pretty sure he can. So hopefully we can get rid of that engine light. The only reason it's on is because of some missing O2 sensors. Because of those humongous 2-inch stainless works headers, we have no O2 sensors in the front. Yeah, this thing is just ready to light up at any moment, as you can see, guys. Mountain view down in there. We do have some good roads here in Kentucky, I will say. Wow, it's so wet here. Look at all those icicles. You guys see those icicles on the mountains? I didn't realize, I did not expect it to be all wet up here. Let's definitely take it super easy today. Just wanted to get the car out, introduce it to you guys. can see absolutely no traction. Gosh. Woo!